Is your Windows PC feeling slow or laggy? One quick way to boost performance is by adjusting your visual effects settings, and here's how to do it in 1 minute or less. First, you go to the Start menu and type in View Advanced System Settings. And once you're there, it'll open up the System's Properties menu. What you need to click on is Settings right under the Performance menu, and that'll bring up Performance options. Now, when Performance option opens, you'll be met with 4 choices for how to adjust your settings. What the default usually is let Windows choose what's best for my computer. You can also adjust for best appearance if you have a higher end computer, but what we want is adjusting for best performance. So you simply click on that and make sure that you hit apply, because if you just hit OK, it won't work at all. And let me open this so you can see the changes when they happen. So you click apply, and right away you see that it took away the drop shadow from the text on the files. And that's one way that it'll help speed up your computer with no unnecessary drop shadows. You get windows that are snappier instead of smoothly gliding. And then instead of dropping down to the taskbar when you close a window, it'll just close immediately. So what this setting does is gets rid of unnecessary animations, text decoration, and things like that. And it helps your computer move a lot smoother. This simple change can help older or slower PCs run faster by freeing up those system resources, and it's especially useful for work, gaming, or just daily multitasking if you don't really care about the more aesthetic choices that Microsoft made to make their PCs desktops look a certain way. And yeah, that's it. That is how you adjust your visual effects settings in 1 minute or less. If you found that tip useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Georgia MSP for more quick tech tips.